Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you guys a quick unboxing of this Influenster VoxBox. It's a really pretty blue box. On the front it says Influenster, on the top it says Estee Lauder, a new beginning. I'll also be sharing with you guys how I created this manicure inspired in this new VoxBox. This is what they included in the box, as well as this little information card. Estee Lauder, our new revolution in skincare, new advanced night repair synchronized multi-recovery complex, new fast repair and youth generating power exclusively for you from Influenster. This is a new product that will be launching soon, and they sent us a little 1-week sample so that we could try it out and share our review. The sample is 0.23 fluid ounces. Be the first to try our new and improved #1 serum advanced night repair. Use this 1-week sample every night before your moisturizer. For an extra boost, apply your serum every morning too. I'm not really sure how much of a difference I'm going to be able to see in just a week, but I'm really excited to try it out and share with you guys my experience. It has a very light scent, not really strong, and it is a serum. So let's apply a little drop. And you can see that it's a serum, and you just blend it into your skin. And it's supposed to soak up really quickly. Feels really nice. I can kind of see how the skin in this hand looks a lot better than the one on my right hand. It looks moisturized and it feels really smooth. The scent is really light and it seems to just fade away. Follow me on Instagram to see my results after using this for 1 week. Thank you to Influenster for sending me this product to review and share with you guys. And stay tuned to see how I created this beautiful manicure inspired in this new VoxBox. Let's get started. For my base, I chose this gorgeous Sinful Colors nail polish called Midnight Blue. I'll use a sponge to apply this Born Pretty polish called Aurora Borealis. I'll try to apply most of it on the tip of the nail. I'll follow the same steps and apply the polish on all the nails. I chose these two images from the Bundle Monster stamping plate GeoTrendy BM XL353. To stamp, I'll use this Yappa polish called Gabriel and the Beauty Big Bang Gold stamping polish. I apply the polish on the plate, gently scrape off the excess, use the stamper to pick up the image, and stamp it directly onto my nail. I repeat the same steps for the second image using the gold polish. But before I do that, I'll clean my stamper with my lint roller. Now I'm ready to stamp again. I use a piece of tape to clean off the excess. To give my manicure a finished look, I always use a cleanup brush dipped in acetone to clean up around the cuticles. Since the acetone dries up the skin so much, I like to apply cuticle oil as soon as I'm done. To clean off my stamping plate without ruining my manicure, I use this strawberry color to hold a piece of cotton on the tip. I dip it in acetone and wipe the plate. To add a little bit of sparkle, I'll apply this Wet n Wild holographic glitter called Kaleidoscope, and I'll use a sponge to apply it. To add some shine and seal in my design, I'll use my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. This is the completed design. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!